Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. Uh, so the first college is Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, Gorakhpur. They are recruiting faculty for 2021 session. They have following requirement for professor, total 21 number post. Associate professor, total number of vacancy 27, and assistant professor, total number of vacancy 48. These all are on regular basis, but some also have on contract basis, like for pharmacy and humanity and management sciences and pharmacy. Fixed remuneration for both. For pharmacy 1 vacancy, and for department of humanity and management sciences and pharmacy total 5. So for more details, please visit university website. The last date of submission of online application form is 11th of October 2021. Means you have to go to career section, in which you can get the link for online apply. So you send apply before 11th October. Print a copy of duly filled application form along with all necessary enclosure. Document should reach to Registrar MMM University of Technology, Gorakhpur, latest by 5 p.m. on 21st of October 2021 through registered or speed post only. Next college is Gokaraju Lailavati Women's Engineering College. They have requirement for physics lab assistant, chemistry lab assistant, engineering workshop lab assistant, electrical engineering lab, computer programmer, system administrator. So only female candidate can apply here, and they have to go for walk-in on 29th and 30th September 2021 at college campus, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. For further details, you can contact on this number also. Next is Princeton group of institutions. They have walk-in interview on 1st of October 2021 between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. They have requirement for 2 college, one for engineering college and technology for women, and another one is for pharmacy. They have requirement for professor, associate professor, assistant professor or lecturer in CSC, pharmacy, MSc chemistry, physics, math, MA English and MBA, and placement officer. So you have to send your biodata along with copy of relevant qualification and experience with PAN and Aadhaar on or before 30 September 2021. Email ID they have given Princeton Group 2014@gmail.com. Next college is Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science, IT, CSC. In that professor and associate professor both vacancy are there. If you have postgraduate in computer science or IT and PhD in computer science and IT on related field, specialized in artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cyber security and internet of things will be preferred, and having interest toward research and with good publication in Scopus BAS journal will be given weightage. Next, for assistant professor, branches required, branch vacancy CSC, IT and computer science. If you have MTech in CSC or IT, you can apply with some teaching experience. If you have, then you will be preferred. And next vacancy in ECE, electrical electronics, E&I, ME and civil, having vacancy for assistant professor. If you have MTech or post graduation degree in respective discipline with at least 2 years of teaching experience in a reputed engineering college, you can apply. Next, in MCA, assistant professor requirement. If you have MCA with at least 2 years of teaching experience on a regular reputed engineering college, you can apply. And next vacancy for diploma lecturer. If you have BTech in civil, mechanical, computer science, IT, electronics, CE, you can apply here. And some vacancy also for math, physics, chemistry and English. For assistant professor, if you have NET qualified with 2 years of teaching experience, then you can apply here. So you have to send your detailed resume along with copy of all qualification and experience certificate by email on career@vidyaniketan.edu. So that's all about today's vacancy. Share it with your friends who is in the need of job, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.